how to make a shirt album on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily make a shirt album on your iPhone. So first things first, you'll need to open up your Photos app. Just go ahead and tap on Start Sharing. Now here you'll find Add Photos option, tap on it. Select the photos that you want to add to the shared album and hit add option on the top right. And then here you'll find shared album name. So you can put anything as the name and then tap on add participants and just put in the phone number or the email address of the person whom you want to share the album to. And it's as simple as that. Recipients just need to accept the shared album request in their Photos app to complete the setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.